Hello friends, in the previous lecture we learned how we can tell time. But friends, the question arises how we should ask time. In this lecture we will learn how we can ask time from somebody. Friends, generally we have only one sentence. What's time by your watch? You often heard this sentence or you often read this sentence. But friend, you should know that there are various ways to ask time. You will not be depend on only this sentence. So friends, this session is going to be very important. Here we will learn 10 new ways to ask time. So friends, let's start. Very first sentence is, what time is it now? If you want to ask time from somebody, you will say, what time is it now? Clear friends? Second sentence, do you have the right time? You can use here have if you want to know time. Do you have the right time? Next sentence, friends, do you have any idea of the time? Do you have any idea of the time? Or the next sentence will be, do you know the correct time? You can use correct in place of right. So friends, your sentence will be, do you know the correct time? Or you can say right also in place of correct. So friends, you can also use the sentence, do you know the right time? Or do you know the exact time? The words will be right, correct, and exact. Do you know the right time? Do you know the exact time? Next sentence, friends, what's the time now? If you want to say in brief, you will have to say what's the time now or what is the time now. In place of what is, you can use what's. What's the contracted form of what is. Clear friends? Another way, next eighth sentence will be, what's the time by your watch? That's the very common sentence. So I thought that it should be included in the list of these sentences. So that's the common sentence. The sentence is, you know very well, what's the time by your watch? Friends, here you should know, or it may be possible that you already knew this thing. If we want to ask time, we should say by your watch. Here we never say in. Clear friends? In your watch. In is wrong preposition here. So when you are asking the sentence, so you should learn what's the time by your watch. Another polite way to ask the time, friends, could you tell the time please? Could you tell the time please? Could you tell me what time is it please? Could you tell me what time is it please? You can also use these two sentences to ask a question, to ask time from somebody. Clear friends? So you learned that we discussed here 10 sentences and you have to practice these sentences. Friends, practice plays a very important role in our speaking. So carry on practicing. If you are not trying to speak, that it will never be possible. You can't be a fluent speaker. Very first thing, friends, people say that we want fluency in English. I think something different. I think that you should try to learn. You should try to speak. Fluency doesn't matter. If you are a continuous speaker, then fluency comes gradually. Fluency will automatically come. So try to speak. And if you don't have any partner, it doesn't matter. You should not worry. You can practice with me. So watch the video about 10 to 15 minutes and you will find that you are improving your spoken skill day by day. So friends, I hope you are learning well, you are liking well. And friends, now I want to urge you, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, so go and subscribe the channel. Friends, you can follow me on every social media platform. You can follow me on Twitter, Insta, as well as Facebook. So see you in the next lecture. Now, thanks for watching this video.